Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Boba Network token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Boba Network is a multi-chain layer 2 scaling solution that enhances blockchain efficiency and enable smart contracts to interact with off-chain data and computation. A multi-chain scaling layer, it operates as an optimistic rollup on Ethereum and other chains, offering faster, cheaper transactions while maintaining base layer security. Powered by hybrid compute, its key innovation lets developers build apps that security integrates Web2 data sources, AI, and complex off-chain logic. Governed governed by the Boba token. The native Boba token is used for community governance, allowing stakers to vote on the network's future direction. Boba Network project institution rating is 4.4, and this project audited by Ceritic and Quantstamp. Boba network token total supply is 500 million and circulating supply is around 493.58 million Boba token. Boba token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.